Hey guys, and welcome to my mini-series. For the whole month of February, I will be posting one macrame knot or knot pattern a day. Today, I am going to show you how to create a fishbone pattern using square knots. Tie the first square knot in the middle of your work. Grab the two strands on either side of your square knot and tie another square knot around the same middle strands. Repeat the same process. Working on the right side of your work, tie another square knot using the strand from your first square knot and the strand from the right side of your work. Tie a second and third square knot, repeating the same process. Repeat the same process on the left side of your work. Tie 3 more square knots in the middle, repeating the same process. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm Chantel from Lots of Knots Canada. Find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Please subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I'll be posting a new macrame knot or knot pattern every day in February.